In this video, we're making this delicious bakery-style Rava Mawa Cake. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make the cake. First, grease and line a 9x7-inch pan with some oil and baking paper. You can also use butter if you want, but I like to use oil. And then you're going to place some baking paper on the greased pan. The oil makes sure that the paper sticks well and also the cake does not stick to the sides. Now in another bowl, take the rava, the all-purpose flour, and the baking powder, and mix till everything is well combined. In another bowl, take the eggs, add the vanilla extract, and whisk the eggs lightly for a minute. Set that aside. Now in a bowl, take the butter and the mawa, beat them for about 2 to 3 minutes till they're nice and creamy. Then add in the sugar. Beat on medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes till the mixture is light and fluffy. Then add in half of your egg mixture and beat for about a minute. Add the remaining eggs and again beat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the eggs are mixed in, add in your dry ingredients and beat on very low speed for about a minute till the mixture is combined. Make sure not to overmix this. And then you can switch to a spatula and mix in any remaining flour. And your batter is ready. Pour this in your prepared pan. And spread it out evenly. Tap the pan to get rid of any air bubbles. And bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Make sure not to overbake the cake because you want it to be nice and moist. And your cake is done. Here you can see the toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool for a bit and then you can run a knife at the sides and take it out of the pan. And then slice the cake and enjoy. Here I served these slices to my family. So I decided to cut more slices. And there's a little close-up of the slice. This cake is super soft and fluffy and tastes just like any bakery mawa cake. Make sure to bake this cake and surprise your family and your friends, and enjoy this with some tea or coffee. Subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes and click the notification bell to stay up to date with whatever I upload. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!